Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got something different. I was scouring the internet and I come across this on eBay a while back. This is called a Vibratrol. This is a linear amplifier for CB radio. Now it looks like this is probably a mobile version since it's small. I think it's only a 30 watt, but it's pretty cool. It's called the Vibratrol. See it? It has a setting switch here for AM, FM on top, and single sideband on the bottom, SSB, and an on and off switch. I guess on and off it probably bypasses, and on it sends it through the circuitry. It takes 12 volts, just like normal. So this is definitely from a car. Anyway, I picked it up on eBay, just curious. I want to get a CB, and maybe I'm even going to hook this up in my car. But in the meantime, what I'm going to do is pop it open for anybody who wants to see inside. And we'll see what's going on in there. I'll get my screwdriver out. I think we could just pop the top off of this one. Turn it around. Yeah, let's give it some more juice. There we go. Yeah, when I first got this, I got it for pretty cheap. Maybe 30 or 40 bucks, something like that. When I first got this, the switch was stuck. It would not work. Little squirt of WD-40 and it started working instantly. So I was happy about that. You know how old stuff is. It's good stuff. If the new switch breaks, it's broke for good. Anyway, see how the top comes right off of there? So inside, let's see what we got inside. Can you focus? A lot going on in there. Some coils down here. I don't know how this works. But everything looks good inside. Nothing looks burnt. Switches are good. Here's that on and off switch. It's interesting. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this. The insides. Look, there's even a relay in here. Little relay there. I wonder if that kicks in when you key the mic. Or if that's just the on and off thing. If this just turns it off, I don't know. It's a nice little relay though. That's not burnt out either. Feels good. Wonder if someone used this in their car. Yeah, the relay seems to work fine. I gotta get this hooked up to my car. Anyway, that's a peek inside the Vibratrol Linear Amplifier for CB radio. Interesting, very interesting. I wonder how old this thing is. It's got to be from the 70s, huh? This ain't like them new ones they make now. This has to be like from the 70s. Anyway, guys, you know how a linear amplifier works, right? Well, the concept is your CB puts out around 4 watts. Some will claim 5. And that's like the limit set by the FCC for citizens band radio. And what this does is it takes your 5 watts and amplifies it, and I think it'll boost it up to 30 watts. so you could get your CB radio to be heard a lot farther. It's called shoot and skip. We used to do it back in the 70s. You know, you was get on the mic and yell, skip land, skip land, skip land. It was pretty fun back in the day. And we would get all kinds of places, even without one of these. It all depended on if it was a cloudy night or not. I think the cloudy nights worked better. Anyway. Made in USA. See, this is the RF output. So, yeah, so. But the bad thing about this was when you when you used one of these, you really overamped everybody's thing that was close by you, so they would hear your thing come out real loud. But you know, far away, they would hear like an echo chamber. It would sound like. It was pretty neat to experience. Anyway, I'm going to try this out again one day. I got to get me a CB radio. I'll check on eBay. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. That's my video for Throwback Thursday. And subscribe to my channel. Give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you in the next one.